Hi, welcome to my channel. Or welcome back to my channel, The Garden of Eden. Okay, I am Dream. And I wanna talk about the tornado that's coming. Okay? There's a tornado coming. A tornado has possibly touched down. Yeah, already. And see, this tornado that I'm talking about really is an energetic tornado. Yes, when I speak of a tornado, I'm talking about an energetic tornado. So that doesn't mean that the tornado could not possibly manifest itself in the weather as being weather related or tornado has touched ground. But what I'm really talking about is an energetic tornado. Okay? Things or something like a particular thing, certain events have transpired, is happening currently to shake things up a bit. Yeah, to like break up or break down the I would have to say the disgusting energy. Yeah, there's a very chaotic and disgusting energy that's going on. Yeah. And whatever you would think of with a tornado, or the way tornado, we know what a tornado is like, you know what I'm saying? I think it has categories on the type of tornado that it is. Like, they give it categories to rate the effect the tornado will have. So the effect that this energetic tornado will have will be different for everyone. Different for every person, for every family, for every group, for every city. The category will be different. Okay? You have some, this is just we'll call it category 1. But you have some people who are having category 5s. Okay? Let's just say a category 1 might be a loss of a job, a loss of income. A category 5 being whatever a trauma would be for you, whatever a tragedy would be in your mind. Like, that's a pure tragedy. So some people will have a category 5. Okay, it's depending on the yuck of the energy that you are surrounded in. Okay, like this, and you think of a tornado, and you know nobody wants to hear about a tornado, but that's the thing. As with everything, there is polarity and there is duality. Okay, there's 2 ways that you can see it. So along with a tornado, it's coming through, it is happening to break up the yuck. How you doing? Yes. It's coming to break down some systems. Yeah. Yeah. It's time for a restart, a refreshing, a recovery. All right. And unfortunately, fortunately, that within this timing, a lot of things will transpire that right off won't feel too good. But if you take a step back and look at it again, perhaps you can see it in another light. Okay? Disruption. There's a disruption. Yes, this tornado is disrupting the energy field. All right? Like, this tornado is almost like throwing people into their rightful places. This tornado is picking people up out of wrong places, bad places, undesirable places, places that they have become stuck in. This tornado is picking it up and throwing you elsewhere. All right? There's an energetic tornado. Yeah. I don't know why I'm hearing that song as a commercial. You can't always get what you want. Oh, Lord. I don't know what that's about. Allowing, putting yourself in a state of allowing. You know, as things are transpiring, things are happening that you don't get, you don't understand, you don't like, you know, that makes you uncomfortable, that makes you sad, that makes you emotional. Allow, even if you don't get it, you don't understand it, you don't like it, allow. What this is doing is, I say testing, but like reviewing your faith, reviewing your knowledge, reviewing your growth. That's a good one there. Your growth. It's like a testing of your growth. Testing of your growth. Yes, there's a tornado brewing.